What we keep saying. Hi guys, let me off this thing. Hi guys. So today I'm hunting for my Adsense pin because I've not found it yet. And if you have noticed, you know that ads have not been playing on my videos, which is very, very annoying, especially now that I decided to become consistent. You get? So I've checked the first the closest night post to my house. It's not there. I want to check here today, that way I will know how far. You guys pray for me that I find it. God, please let this be my last bus stop. I'm tired of looking for this thing and I want to start making money. So you guys, let me go and come back. I won't carry my camera. Yeah, bye. You guys, I just got this delivered or picked up. I'm not obsessed with platforms, guys. I'm so obsessed with these slippers. Damn, so cute. Love it. Love it. Love it so freaking much. You guys, I'm not obsessed with anything really that has, length or height. Anything that has height, especially slippers, shoes, anything at all. Platforms, I'm obsessed. Now money killer to buy more, but I love this one. So it's so comfy and cute. Yeah, bye. Just got this delivered right now and I want to open it up. Yeah, you guys, I'm ready to go. Hey guys, I know I didn't do like a little intro before stepping out, but you guys, I am actually very, very late. Like this is almost 3. I'm going somewhere, right? I'm going to this new store that is opening today in Abuja. Jesus Christ, at Puse. So it was supposed, they said 12 p.m. They said we should, that we should start coming in by 12, and it's almost 3. But let's go.
Mama said you're meant to burn as bright as a star among the midnight sky. All the pressure blinded me, but now I see I'm not different from the rest. You said I'd fly away, but my walls have kept me down. Now I'm lost and I'm afraid, and I'm close to hit the ground. You said I'd fly away. You said I'd fly anyway, but I keep on falling.
Yeah? Yeah. But not too down. Yeah. Okay.
It's better now.
Yeah, it's okay.
So you want for him to
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, here I'm not gonna lose it.
You literally don't have camera.
Yeah. The fragrance is not nice. Maybe it's when you're doing this one.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to
You guys, my candle.
take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go on a new adventure. On a new adventure.
Hello.
Registration of business is supposed to take
seriously to make this come alive. And of course, give it up for the fantastic, amazing dancers of the future here. And
I think
the choreographer, the one who does all the movements that you're seeing in the charts. The production manager,
You guys, I want to show you guys this perfume that I got. I found myself in the market yesterday to get a perfume for a friend as a birthday gift. So I decided to also get perfume for myself. Yeah. There are so many things I didn't vlog this week, and I'm just realizing it now. Yeah. Anyway, this particular perfume is also by Anna Abidei, and this one is called Poudre. Yeah, Poudre. It smelled nice, and I was like, let me get it. Yeah, it's cute too. Okay, yeah, that's what I want to show you guys. Bye.
Let me go, it's my time. Watch me build another life. Find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away.
You guys, I wanted to quickly talk about the candles I made. Oh my gosh, you guys, this candle smells so freaking good. Like, I should probably start making candles because they smell good. You guys, I just turned this on, so very soon everything is going to be melting. Yeah, very soon. Yeah, but anyways, the candles that I made last week, last weekend, was like, they are so freaking good. Like, they are so perfect and they smell so good. I don't regret, going for that candle making, and I'm so glad I did. And I think I'm gonna, whenever I start a new one, I'm definitely going to go for it. Yeah.